Flicky AI Review and Tutorial 2025. How to create AI videos and voiceovers fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about AI tools in 2025, Flicky AI. If you've ever wanted to create high-quality videos, professional voiceovers, or even clone your own voice without hiring expensive editors or voice actors, then this review is exactly for you. In this in-depth Flicky AI tutorial and review, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. What Flicky AI is, its main features, how to create your first video, the pros and cons, pricing plans, and finally, my honest verdict on whether it's worth your money in 2025. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a special coupon code to get a discount on any plan. What is Flicky AI? Flicky AI is an all-in-one text-to-video and text-to-speech platform that allows you to create videos and audio content in just minutes. It's perfect for content creators, marketers, teachers, or really anyone who wants to save time while still producing professional quality work. With Flicky AI, you don't need to be a video editor. You don't even need expensive software or a powerful computer. Everything runs in the cloud, so whether you're on a laptop, desktop, or even a basic device, you can still create stunning content. And the best part? You can try it out completely free. Just click the link in the description below, and you'll get free credits to test Flicky AI, no credit card required. Flicky AI Features Overview. When you first log in, the dashboard may look a little overwhelming, but trust me, it's very beginner-friendly. Flicky AI gives you 5 powerful features that cover everything you need for video creation. Video generation. Turn any idea, script, blog post, or even an Amazon product page into a video. Text-to-speech, TTS. Instantly transform written text into realistic AI voiceovers. Thumbnail maker. Create professional thumbnails that grab attention. Templates with AI avatars. Choose from hundreds of pre-built templates and customize them with AI-generated characters. Voice cloning. Record your voice once, and Flicky will clone it for future projects. These 5 features alone make Flicky AI stand out among other text-to-video tools. How to create a video with Flicky AI. Let's go step by step through the idea to video process. Start with a prompt. Simply type your idea into Flicky. For example, I typed, "Tips for traveling with family." Set video length. Choose whether you want a short-form video for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, or a longer video for YouTube. Upload files. Optional. If you already have images, slides, or other assets, upload them here. Pick voice and style. Choose your voice type, tone, and purpose: marketing, educational, storytelling, or casual. Select format. Pick video dimensions optimized for YouTube, Instagram, or any social media platform. Choose visual style. Flicky gives you unique AI-generated visuals, such as cinematic, anime, origami art, and more. You can also use stock footage. Generate video. Hit submit, and within seconds, Flicky creates your complete video with AI visuals, subtitles, and voiceovers. Example: family travel video. For my test, Flicky AI created a family travel tips video. The script was automatically generated, scenes were matched with images, subtitles were added, and transitions were smooth. The result was a video that looked polished without me needing to write a script or edit manually. This is where Flicky saves the most time. Normally, creating a video like this would require a writer, a voice actor, an editor, and hours of work. Flicky cuts that down to just minutes. Editing in Flicky AI. Editing is also very intuitive. Every video is broken into scenes, and each scene has voiceover text, what the AI voice reads aloud. On-screen text, what viewers see as subtitles or overlay. Visuals, either stock footage or AI-generated images. You can click any element to edit it. For example, I changed some text positioning and swapped an image. Flicky regenerated the scene instantly. You don't need a high-end computer or editing software. Everything is drag-and-drop simple. Voiceovers with Flicky AI. Voiceovers are where Flicky really shines. It offers hundreds of natural-sounding voices across dozens of languages and accents. Want a British accent for your documentary? Done. Need a Spanish or Hindi version of your video? Flicky handles it. Want multiple voices for different characters? You can assign voices scene by scene. This is a huge advantage for global creators because it allows you to repurpose content in multiple languages, expanding your reach and income potential. Adding background music. No video feels complete without music. Flicky makes it easy by offering 3 options. Pick from Flicky's massive stock music library. Type a mood or vibe and let the AI recommend tracks. Auto-match music to your script and visuals. Within seconds, your video sounds professional and ready to publish. AI, avatars and templates. Another standout feature is Flicky's AI avatars. By selecting a pre-made template, you can have an avatar present your script like a real person. This is especially useful for educators, salespeople, or YouTubers who don't want to appear on camera. The templates come with different styles, fonts, and colors for various niches from business and education to lifestyle and entertainment. Voice cloning and Flicky AI. If you prefer to keep your own voice in your videos, Flicky has a voice cloning tool. Just record yourself reading a short script provided by Flicky. Once uploaded, the AI clones your voice, and you can use it for any future video. This adds authenticity and keeps your content unique compared to generic AI voices. Pricing, plans, and discounts. Flicky AI offers different pricing plans depending on your needs. Free accounts are great for testing, but if you want to unlock unlimited downloads, premium voices, and advanced features, you'll need to upgrade. Here's the good news. You can use the Flicky AI coupon code in the description for a 20% discount on any monthly or annual plan. Whether you're just starting or running a business, that discount adds up and saves you real money. Pros and cons of Flicky AI. Pros. Extremely easy to use, beginner-friendly, wide selection of realistic AI voices, multi-language support for global content, AI avatars and templates for fast video creation. Affordable compared to hiring voice actors or editors. Cons. Free version has limited downloads. Some visuals may need tweaking for professional projects. Requires internet connection since it's cloud-based. Final verdict. Is Flicky AI worth it in 2025? Absolutely yes. A Flicky AI is one of the best AI text-to-video tools available today. It allows creators, marketers, and businesses to produce high-quality videos in minutes without spending a fortune. Whether you're making social media clips, educational tutorials, or full-blown marketing campaigns, Flicky gives you everything you need. Voiceovers, avatars, subtitles, music, translations, and editing tools, all in one place. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, brand, or online presence, Flicky AI can literally save you hours of work each week and help you reach a wider audience. Don't wait, click the link below, start your free trial, and use the discount coupon code in the description to save on your first plan. And if you found this Flicky AI tutorial and review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and drop a comment letting me know what kind of video you'll create with Flicky AI. See you in the next video.